Thank you, sir. Mr. Terrence Jacobs. I remember Mr. Terrence. This was a little over a week ago. Mr. Terrence said, Matthew Cox provided an inspection of my home electrical system. He made great suggestions for repairs and pricing. He thoroughly explained in detail the concerns of our home system, which would bring our home up to current standards. We greatly appreciate the visit and information so that we make an informed decision on the services suggested. All right. Yeah, so I remember this one. Mr. Terrence had us out to do his yearly membership. With the membership that he currently holds, he gets an electrical and plumbing inspection. On this particular day, he had me out to do a whole home thorough electrical inspection. We went through the system together. I actually brought him through the entire inspection process with me. We did come across a few things, and I was able to, with him, discuss exactly what would fit his needs for his home. That's a real experience that we provide every day to our customers and homeowners. Mr. Terrence, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. It means the world to me and to Peaden for you sharing that experience with the public.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.